Read about one way of communicating on the internet. It's called blogging. Then answer number 23 through 33. What's new on the internet? New web blogs created per day, April 2003 through March 2004. Web blogs. What is the odd name for a very popular activity that has taken the internet by storm? It is blogging. Blog is a shortened combination of the words web and log. A blog is a type of personal journal posted on the internet. Just how popular is blogging? There are millions of blogs today, and new ones are created all the time. Their popularity continues to grow, in part because the program needed to create a blog is either free or very cheap. It is also, as computer folk often say, user-friendly. A blog is an easy-to-use website where a person can express his or her thoughts. It is also a way to communicate with others, since many blogs have links to email. This way, a person who is reading a blog can write a note to the person who owns the blog. Some businesses support blogs at work because of their ability to create large amounts of information that can be shared among workers. These are called K-logs or knowledge logs. Blogs are also used by colleges. In this case, blogs allow students to interact with teachers and classmates without having to wait to get back to the classroom. Blogging is also a way to give instant news on events while they are happening. Clearly, not all blogs are created equal. Some are simply a person's thoughts, which may or may not hold any value for a reader. However, others are posted by well-known reporters and contain breaking news. There are also blogs that provide helpful information, such as the best way to grow, African violets, or where to find free outdoor events. People can use blogs to let others know about goods and services that are for sale. People can also use blogs in an attempt to shape public opinion or to change the way people feel about certain things. One weakness of blogs is the fact that the information they contain may not be true or accurate. Unlike formal news sites, blogs generally have no editors and no fact-checkers making corrections to them. But no matter what might be good or bad about blogging, it looks as though it is here to stay.